Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be taking you through my weekend during tier 4 lockdown in the UK. It's February 2021, the weather is cold and wet and there's not much work for a self-employed massage therapist during this time, so this weekend will be spent relaxing indoors and staying active. This video is a continuation from part 2 of this series, so if you haven't watched that, I definitely recommend you check it out, especially if you need some cleaning motivation. In this video, we'll focus on what I've been doing to keep active during lockdown, and if you need motivation to work out, then this is it. I like to dance, do some lightweight lifting, and have fun along the way. Right now, I'm doing a gentle dance warm-up to prep my body for a workout. It's important to do this so that I don't pull a muscle or injure myself when I get to lifting and squatting. Feel free to dance along with me even if you don't feel like you can dance. Dancing isn't all about how you look, but all about how you feel and the fun you have while you're moving. If you're still shy though, feel free to just let me know in the comments how you like to stay active during lockdown or what your favourite music to dance to is. Now that my body is nice and warm, it's time to do a few reps with the weights. I like to keep things light and simple, nothing too strenuous, as I'm all about toning rather than building huge muscles. Thank you so much for watching. These next few clips are me taking the piss out of people who used to do the Harlem Shake. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you danced along with me or gained the motivation to keep fit during lockdown. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video.